In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voting buttons in Outlook. If you manage group decisions or gather opinions through email regularly, this feature is a game changer that streamlines the process tremendously. We'll go through the essentials of setting up your own voting mechanism and even delve into customizing it to suit your needs. So, let's get started on making your email communications both interactive and efficient. First things first, open Outlook and get ready to create a new email. Click on the New Email button, which will open a blank email form for you. This is where you'll draft the message you want to send to your recipients, including the voting options they can choose from. Think of this as setting the stage for the engagement you're about to invite from your participants. Next, let's open the voting options. While you're still in the new email window, navigate over to the Options tab. Once there, click on Use Voting Buttons. This feature is a handy tool to collect responses quickly and easily within the body of your email itself. Now you have a few choices to make regarding the kind of voting you'd like. Outlook provides some default options, such as Approve Reject, Yes, by no, or even yes, no, maybe. These are ready to go at a moment's notice and are pretty useful for straightforward decisions and feedback. However, there's also the option to create custom buttons, which can be tailored specifically to the responses you want to collect. If the built-in options don't fit your situation, customizing might be the best route. Let's see how you can create those custom voting buttons. Click on Options, then Use Voting Buttons, and select Custom from the drop-down menu. You'll be presented with the Voting and Tracking Options section. Here you'll want to check the box labeled Use Voting Buttons. In the field provided, enter your custom choices and separate them by semicolons. For example, you could enter Option A, Option B, Option C if those suit your needs. Once you're satisfied with your entries, click Close to return to your email setup. Then proceed to send the email just like any regular message. Your recipients can then click a voting option right from their email, making participation easy and immediate. Now let's talk about viewing the results of your voting poll. After you've sent out your email and your recipients have started responding, you'll want to see who has voted and what their choices were. Head to your Sent Items folder and open the email you sent. Go to the Message tab and click on Tracking. This will reveal details like who responded, their selected option, and the time of their response. It's a comprehensive way to gather and review feedback all in one place. And there you have it. Using voting buttons in Outlook is not only simple but incredibly useful for managing group feedback efficiently. Remember to consider both the default and custom options to best fit your situation. Happy emailing?